We're going to look at on the review handout problem number 13 right now, and in this situation our function is exponential. Therefore our function, we're going to denote it as g of x. The parent function of an exponential function is where our x, or our input, is in the exponent, and we have a base of 2. So our parent function is g of x equals 2 to the x, and we're trying to represent a vertical stretch by 8. Keep in mind the vertical stretch by 8 is an a value, so our a value is going to be 8. So now that we have our g of x function, our f of x, or transform function, is just going to be that 2 to the x power, but now with an 8 in front because it's a times our parent function. So really it can be read as 8 times 2 to the x. Flashback to our entire unit on exponential functions where we said, all right, y equals a times b to the x, where b was our growth or decay rate, and a was our starting value, so to speak. Well, notice now we actually have this in a times b to the x form, kind of to give us some consistency with where we've been. But in this case, effectively, our a was our value in front when we reference our transformation function. Boom. There is no h or no k, therefore this is the answer to number 13.